What's going on, guys? Behind me is a 2025 G25 Super Air Nautique. I'm going to show you guys a few of my favorite features on this boat. Starting off in the back is you have these big storage lockers. Keep your bags, surfboards, life jackets, ropes, all tucked away back there. You have this nice big walkway into the boat. You also have this sliding seat so you can watch your surfers. Another one of my favorite features is you have a lot of cup holders on board along with your wireless charging. Then coming to the center, in here you have a built-in cooler, perfect for keeping your drinks, snacks, all put away and out of the way when you're out enjoying the lake. Then coming to the bow of the boat, you have your bow filler cushion along with your armrest so you can be all comfy while in the front. If you want to see more, come check out this boat at MarineMax in Nisswa or check it out on our website at MarineMax.com.